Okay, this graph or this picture of a graph here uh, sets up the problem. We've got this region where this blue curve is the function y equals the square root of natural log of the quantity x minus 1. The x-axis and the line x equals 2e. That's what this line is right here. And so in this region, each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is actually a square. So you have to picture a square coming up out of here into 3D. And the area of that square is the side of the square squared, which is what this is. The area function for each cross-section is f of x squared. So there's the area of the square. So the volume of the solid S is the definite integral from 2 to 2e of a of x dx. So the problem boils down to we need to find an antiderivative of ln of x minus 1 where x is greater than or equal to 2, and actually it's also less than or equal to 2e. To do that, you probably want to use integration by parts. So if we let u equal ln of x minus 1 and dv equal the antiderivative of everything else, which will just be dx, then du is 1 over x minus 1, v is x. So using the integration by parts formula, that integral or antiderivative is u times v, x ln of x minus 1 minus the indefinite integral of v du. To get the antiderivative for x over x minus 1 dx, you have to actually think of dividing x minus 1 into x. And that goes one time. And then when you subtract, that's the remainder. There's the remainder over the divisor. So finding this antiderivative is same as finding this antiderivative. And that's x plus ln of x minus 1. And so if we take this and plug it into here, there's your antiderivative right there. X ln of x minus 1 minus this guy. Okay, and we want to evaluate that from 2 to 2e. And here's what that looks like. We're just going to put in 2e wherever there's an x, minus we're going to put 2 in wherever there's an x. Over here, these ln of 1s are zeros, so these terms drop out. So we have minus and minus 2, that's the plus 2. And we can move this multiplier up here, property of logarithms. And then over here, if you want to, ln of a minus ln of b is ln of a divided by b. And 2e minus 1 to the 2e divided by 2e minus 1 is 2e to the 2e minus 1 to the 2e minus 1. You can put this in brackets if you want to. And then we've got this minus 2e and the plus 2. Okay, and so here's kind of proof that this is the exact answer. Here is an approximation, and these two expressions have the same value. That's it. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.